Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today, what we are going to do? Let's guess. These things are related with computer. I guess we are going to know something about computers. Let's see what is in the topic. First question is the full form of RAM. RAM, RAM. R for random, A for access and M for memory. Random access memory. The full form of GB is gigabyte. The full form of CPU is central processing unit. The full form of CD is compact disc. The full form of OS is operating system. The full form of ROM is read only memory. The full form of PC is personal computer. The full form of DVD, digital versatile disc. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. The full form of LAN is Local Area Network. Now we learn something about computers. These are the things which are related with computer and we call them with short forms like RAM, GB, CPU, and every short form has a full form. Today we learn full form of these short form words. Now do you know the first computer mouse ever made was made of wood? Oh, amazing! Let's apply. Do you like playing computer games? Find out when and where the first computer game was made. Now this is your activity. I hope you all understand the concept and you will learn the full form of these short form objects. Thank you. Have a nice day.